Hatiri undu ta nganja riu ati ruru ni ruo rwimbo ruria ruguthie na mbere ni gukuywo ni arutani a mauniversity makiro makenia ati matigucoka wira-ini wao nginyagia mekanire kirore hari ngirimiti yao ya mwaka wa 2017 2021.
The University Staff Academic Staff Union UASU and Kenya Universities Staff Union have jointly convened this meeting to restate categorically that the strike continues unabated.
We are not going back without a counter proposal on the table. We will strike and we will strike and we will strike. So we are telling our members, strike like you have never gone on strike before. Strike as if you'll never strike again.
Ona thengia itua ria igoti ati mugomo uyu ni mugaru na watho. Kiama kia UASU ni kiugite ati gutire mundu uri na rutha rwa kunina mugomo ucio tiga mwandiki munene wa kiama kiu, na koguo gutire mundu ungi mekuigua na mugomo wao no guthie na mbere nginyagia thirikari imaigue kana ngirimiti iria iriho kurorwo weru.
UASU clarifies that no one has authority to tell university workers to report back to work except the union through the Secretary General. The union asked members to stay the course of fighting for the dignity of dons. The strike is fully on until the 2021 CBA is negotiated, signed, registered, implemented, and money banked in our members' accounts.
Kiama giki ni kirutire mukaana university iria ihanite mukaana wa kurugamia wira aruti a wira university aria mari rungu rwa kiama gia KUSU muno makiorota university ya Nairobi.
KUSU members within the University of Nairobi, together with their colleagues in all other 30 universities that we have in this country, they are fully on strike and they will strike in the best way they know.
Kuringana na utongoria wa kiama kiu o matiregete gucoka wira gikorwo thirikari ni gwitikira kwaririria ngirimiti iyo undu uria ugite ndirironania dalili o yothe ya kungathuka.
We've had a lot of excuses. Oh, we want to do staff audit. Oh, universities have 2 payrolls. Oh, we are also auditing the 10 billion. Another one, SRC has not done job evaluation.
IPUCCF, or if you like the universities and the government itself, have not given a counter proposal to the 2017-2021 CBA proposal that we gave them more than a year ago.
Ngayukano ni yumiritie mugomo-ini uyu thutha wa kiama gia kuthia kuria memba o muthenya wa ira macokererie wira umuthi, nake minista wa githomo Amina Mohamed akiuria arimu acio gucokereria wira toria mathitwo ni igoti niguo kuheka mweke Miario gatagati kao na thirikari.
The Inter-Public Universities Council's Consultative Forum directed all staff to resume duty today to pave way for dialogue.
Amina ni aheanite mwihoko ati we ni ehaririirie kugia na giikaro na kiama kiu, no na kuhana uguo UASU ndironania kugwagwa makiuria memba o kwihariria mirurungano thutha wa ciumia igiri agikorwo gutigukorwo na umithio ro wothe.
For the union makes us strong.
Maundu magithie na mbere na gutharara uguo mathararite mathomo mathukuru-ini ma mathomo ma iguru ni meguthie na mbere na gutharara kiuria kinene ari hihi no guthaitira rucio rwa bururi ki mathomo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njita Kamau wa Mwangi.